Alright, this is going to be a test video of my new phone, the Google Pixel 8. This is the internal elevator at the American Greetings garage at Crocker Park, Westlake, Ohio. It's a Schindler HT. Here it is. It's cold in here. Pretty basic. Let's see. 2016. Start by going down to 1. £3,500 capacity. Here's your HT buttons. It's cold in here, even though it's really hot outside. Well, it's not really, really hot outside, but it's warm outside at least. Door close does not work. All right, here we go. That sounded amazing. Car 3, HT handle resistant. I've gotten a video of this thing before, so it's just like all the other garage elevators here, pretty much. Here we are at 1. Here's your call button. And there it goes. And that will be it.